Hey, we're on the move. This looks like a fun little cut. Yeah, like I was saying, check them out, man. Picked up a sponsor. It's pretty cool. Use that discount code, it helps me out. Nick Dog at checkout, cbdmd.com. That one looks pretty sick. That's some sweet climbing right there, boys. I'm gonna do that again. And I just seen this little cut right here. Oh, stuff me. Where's that? Oh, here it is. Oh, water is crazy wet. Delicious. Looks like it might take me back. Good, because I almost went off the hill. That's good because I want to hit that hill again. Nice little fun spot right here, dude. God damn. Sun is shining. Looks like we can come up and turn off and hit that one. Let's give it a try. Something new. Oh, I messed up. Oh! Ah. All right. Holy smokes! Dude, we were struggling on that. I could have did that way better. have did that way better, guys. The run up messed me all up. Give it a try again. Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Dude, I slid off right there. Came all squirrely. I normally don't chuck my bike like that, but for some reason, I was like, screw it. Better pop the clutch on her. Oh yeah, boys. So this cliff, rock cliff, has a bit of a boozy. We just made it before, but I made it like too sluggish. I wanted to go a lot faster. I was doing all the rest of them real good. Well, you know, until I got to this part. I dug down or did something. Lost all my momentum. All the momentum. Cool. Hey, no biggie. Flipped her around. That's how you do it. Nice little U-turn. Instead of stopping, you know, or whatever, you just pop the clutch, let her hook, and fling her around. Actually, that was all. I don't know what I'm saying, but didn't even mean to do that. It just happened. Now we're locking up, and we're still moving. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's like no stoppage. Out of 10, that's gonna be good footage right there. Alright guys, gonna do it for this video. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. You gotta smash that like button for that loop out. You know that was rad. Alright guys, peace. Woo-hoo.